My tongue, What's up everyone, welcome back to the videos. Thank you for joining us today. Over here with Van Blerk. We're going to be doing a couple of things to the FIGO and to the Range Rover. We're going to be showing you guys how to spray your wheels. So we're going to be sanding down these wheels, giving them a nice rough surface. So it took two of the wheels off so long. With the incline we have, it's kind of difficult to get all four off at the same time. So what we're going to be using today is Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. So it's got your primer and your paint in one can, if you can see there. Also bonds to plastic, which is really helpful. But yeah, so we're using that for color, it's a gloss black, and then for clear coat we're using the same Rust-Oleum gloss clear, so to give it a nice shiny finish. For cleaning, we have some acetone to wipe it off after we've sanded it down with some Scotch-Brite. Yeah, so that's what the acetone is for. Then we've got some cards that we can use just to half mask off the wheel. Gotta get it done.
And gave me the week
okay guys,
option.
so we're gonna see the difference between AJ's wheel prep and my wheel prep. He's gonna spray his wheel, I'm gonna spray my wheel, so we'll see. Take your acetone, it's a nice cloth, and then just give it a nice wipe down. Just gonna give the wheel a last wipe down, some acetone.
Some acetone.
Coming back out talking like this. Just to sure it is nice and clean.
Dit is net weer.
Wat? Ja, het is deel van die fun.
Oh.
As ek 'n bietjie 'n fout maak, kan jy net vir my lag. Okay guys, so you always want to go from a side to side motion and try doing all the gaps first and then finishing off with a coat on the face, just so you get enough spray everywhere and it doesn't run. So typically you should also be holding about 30 centimeters away, or 15 inches, 12 inches away from the rim or where you're spraying. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so give it a nice first coat, a nice even coat. As you can see, we don't have any runs yet. These bubbles are all natural, they will all come out as soon as it starts to dry. So let it dry for about half an hour and then we put on the second coat. Okay guys, so I don't know about you guys if you can see properly, but we've given two coats already and this is absolutely insane. I mean, for spray can, it's already this classy. It's really nice finish, so I think you guys should definitely attempt it. But yeah, we're going to give it a third coat now of some black and let it dry, and then we're going to give two clear coats. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so yeah, a little bit of something extra for this video today. As I showed you in a previous video, I'll link it up top. The stabilizer link was actually loose. I didn't manage to get a bolt on, but the thread is all messed up and it's just not working anymore. So I went to Midas and got some A+ stabilizer links. So let's take a look at what they look like. Oh. Yeah, these are quite decent. Come in a nice black finish. So yeah, let's get these on and see if they make a change, make a difference. So that's the bolt we need to get to over there, and then the other one is up there. So yeah, let's see if we can get something in there. Okay guys, so as you guys would know, I had vanity tire stickers on my car before I changed the tires. So now I've upgraded the tires, went to Dunlops, and I just had to get myself some more tire letters. As you can see, I've well, I'll take it out of the packaging now, but wrapping my own brand, got U-neck media. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the easier way to install your tire stickers that you can get from Vanity Original Tire Stickers. Check them out on Instagram, check them out on Facebook, and follow their website for some deals. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's see what it looks like. Actually, I really like the font. So this is an official kit from Tire Stickers, from Vanity Tire Stickers. This is what your kit will come like, obviously depending on what you buy. You get your glue. So this is a stencil that you're going to be sticking on. So you stick your glue onto the back side there, onto the pattern, and then apply pressure. But yeah, I'll show you guys now the process that we're going to go through to getting these on properly. Just make them. And here is the main logo, guys. So I really like the font that I was able to get, and I was really happy with the way it came out. So this is the new rubber from Vanity or from Tire Stickers. It's really thin, stays cleaner for a lot longer, so can't wait to see what it looks like. Fucking tongue twister. Don't worry guys, it's not going to stay that dirty. As you can see, it has the little excess plastic left on top. So once I'm finished with all the wheels, then I'll be sure to pull that off. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm on my way home. Got a whole bunch of editing to do. I seriously hope you guys learned something. As I told AJ, preparation is the most important part, especially when you're spraying the rims, well, the wheels, not the rims, the rims. Anyway, preparation is the most important part when spraying your wheels. As you saw, we used the cards to cover up most of the tire. We didn't like overspray much, and we could take off the overspray with some acetone, so it wasn't too bad at all for the little bit of overspray that we got. And then in regards to the tire stickers, I'm really hoping you guys learned how to do this. It's really easy. You just have to prep the tire really well. The car looks super sick with the tire lettering. Please comment down below if you think the same. I was thinking of getting 17s, but that didn't work out, so I stuck to the 15s. Got new tires and added some tire lettering, so I think it looks sick. Let me know what you guys think down below. But thank you to everyone that's been supporting. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Stay tuned because there's some more lit content coming next. Cheers, guys.